How to limit stage on your TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to limit stage on your TikTok easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok app, click on it, and here click on stage, and you have who can stage with your videos. You choose everyone, followers that you follow back, or only you. Choose whatever you want. If you choose only you, that's mean you're gonna make you cannot turn off stage on your videos on TikTok app. And followers that you follow back, that's mean your friends and everyone. That's mean that's everyone allowed to stage with your videos. So this is it guys, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.